Abisa banene bakurungamira murandi RUUJI rwa Tana and Athi Rivers Development Authority ni bakumakira UNIYU RUUJI ndene kithima kia Masinga. Bariuga bobo bakureta thine ya RUUJI na kinya kwina makoma inya ja STIMA. Bariuga kuombika UNIYU bobo RUUJI bumanite na guchererwo kwa mbura na utonyeri botumo twa RUUJI. Ritamwaniki na ripoti tariria.
Mae thiini wa ndemu ya Masinga nimekurukite na gikiro kinene muno kuringana na ithimi iria ciagirire. Ino ni kumana na unyiviriru wa mbura miena ngurani undu umwe na kuthukangua kwa ciumo cia mae ni ekari aria mari bakuvi na ndemu ino. Ino ni kuringana na mutongoria wa ruvonge rwa Tana Athi River Development Authority kana TARDA niwe Liban Roba.
The water level problem is not particular to Masinga. It's more of a global issue, specifically as a country. This is the largest river we have. And when you see the water level drop in this river, it tells you what the water level in other places are. This, of course, is a direct impact of climate change. It's a direct impact of the droughts that we have experienced as a country. It's also a direct effect of upstream activities within the catchment zone of these rivers.
Na vare arauga ati varivata ya mvonge cionthe vamwe na ekari aria mekaraga vakuvi na nyunji kwambiria mivango ya kumenyerera maria maturigiciritie.
To put in place mechanism to mitigate the effects of this global warming, the effect of destruction of catchments of the rivers that we have in the country, both within this basin and other basins. So moving forward, that has to be a priority, and we as TARDA are spearheading that conversation within government.
Wauguo varivata ya kutheria nyunji na ndemu undu umwe na gutumira mai maria mari iguru ithenya riria kwinja ndovori iria ingicungirira kuthira kwa mai maria mari rungu na maria mangitumika vauvu vari.
Now going into extraction of underground water, and yet we are still polluting the surface groundwater. So before we can explore all these other options, maybe we should try and clean up the rivers. And I mentioned the river is one of the most polluted rivers in Kenya, but it has huge amounts of water. So before we go into depleting the aquifers, then we should explore measures of addressing pollution.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbitagwa Ritamwaniki wa Musiri.